Creating a video from scratch. Hey there, fellas. VeedAds is not only great video marketing software, it is video marketing software's killer app, and it is all about giving you all the features you need to create professional-grade video ads without the expensive subscriptions or the expertise. In this video, we're going to show you how to use VeedAds to create the type of videos that you've always dreamt of making the easiest way possible, all from scratch, step by step. Getting started. VeedAds has an incredibly intuitive video ad generator that will allow you to create beautiful marketing videos on the fly. To create a video ad from scratch, you just have to click on the Create Video from Scratch option on your VeedAds dashboard. You can also reach this option from the navigation menu by clicking on the Create Video tab and then on the From Scratch option. Creating a video from scratch. Creating a video ad from scratch will require you to unleash your full video marketing creativity. Luckily, VeedAds provides you with all the necessary features that you'll need to create the perfect videos for your marketing campaigns. When you create a video from scratch, the first step is to set up your first scene. By default, your first scene is 5 seconds long and has a generic background. You can edit the length of a scene in the Timing by Seconds section. You can either use the minus icon to reduce the number of seconds in a scene, or the plus icon to increase the number of seconds in a scene, or you can simply enter the number of seconds that you want a scene to last in the quantity box. Next up, you have to add a background to the scene. Start by clicking on the Background tab. There are 3 options to add a background to your scene in this section. First, you can click on the Choose a File button under Upload a Background to upload a custom background of your choice. You'll simply have to double-click on a background image on your computer and it will be automatically added as a background to the scene. You can click on the Choose a Background Color menu to select a plain background color for your scene. Lastly, you can choose it from Library by clicking on any of the available backgrounds in this section. Once you time your scene and select a background, you have to insert text, images, and icons. You can start by clicking on the Content tab to insert text into your scene. You can insert up to 3 text blocks into a scene. To insert a text block in a scene, you will simply have to click on the plus icon corresponding to any of the text blocks in the Content section. Before you enter copy in the text block, we recommend you click on the Edit tab to select the font and size of the text, because size will affect how much text you can fit inside a single text block. While in the Edit section, you can also select the animation style of the text, the color, and the background color. You can click on the Bold lever and turn it on to bolden the text. You can preview these changes in the placeholder text inside the text block. Click on the text block inside the scene when you are ready to edit the text. Now, we told you that you can insert text, images, and icons to a single scene, but you can use different scenes with different elements as transitions to give your marketing videos a more professional feel, and we'll show you how. Start by adding another scene to your video. To add another scene to your video, you'll just have to click on the plus icon located to the right of a finished scene. Time your new scene by entering a time in seconds into the timing box or using the timing buttons, then click on the Background tab to add a background to the new scene. All right, now that you set up the new scene, let's show you how to use it as a transition by branding it with the logo of your business, brand, or product. Click on the Images tab. Now click on the Choose a File button under Upload an Image. Locate and double-click the logo of your choice from your computer. It will be automatically added to the scene. You can click on the image inside the scene to position it on the screen, and you can also resize it by clicking on the Resize button located in the lower right corner of the image. Great job! Now use the following scene to add a transition with an icon and a call to action text. Start by clicking on the plus button located to the right of the finished scene, time it, and then click on the Background tab to add a background. Now click on the Sales tab. Here you will find a complete collection of sales icons that you can use to visually optimize your calls to action. There are several categories of icons in this section. In the Characters and Animated menus, you will find animated cartoons that will allow you to make your calls to action much more engaging. In the Buttons menu, you will find pre-built common call to action buttons. In the Arrows menu, you will find arrows that will help you to highlight conversion elements in your video ads. In the E-commerce menu, you will find common e-commerce icons for payment and shipping methods. Lastly, In the Icons menu, you will find icons for social media users and for app users. Select an icon from any of the category menus, and then click on the Content tab to add a text block with a call to action instructing viewers to take an action such as visiting your website or a product page. Now, add a last scene, time it, select a background, add a text block with the URL address that you want viewers to visit, then add your logo. Now the last step is to add music to your video. Click on the Music tab. You can add a custom music clip to your video by clicking on the Upload button and uploading it from your computer. Or you can simply select the music clip from the built-in library. You can always listen to a clip before adding it to your video by clicking on the play icon on a clip. To add a clip from the library to your video, you'll simply have to click on the clip of your choice and it will be automatically added. Now you can click on the Export Video button to generate your new video. And that is it. Follow these simple steps and you'll be creating VeedAds videos from scratch in no time.